Hey everyone, my name is Carmen and welcome to a new slime restock video. Today I'll be showing you the slimes that I'll be restocking November 14th, Sunday at 2 p.m. PST, and you'll be able to purchase at slimeowy.com. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my slime videos and slime ASMR, and if you do, you can also comment to enter one of my slime giveaways. Just comment your favorite slime from this restock for a chance to win. Anyways, here is the full restock list. We have a couple of new slimes I am excited to show you guys, a few seasonal ones, and some returning favorites. There's also a 10% off discount code for you to use. This first slime is called Fishy Fossil, and it is a new DIY clay slime that comes with a clear scented blue slushy slime and a clay fish fossil. It will be decorated with some glitter and will also come with some matching sprinkles. It is very similar to Fishy Bones, which was introduced in my last restock, but I actually had this idea first, but wanted to introduce Fishy Bones first for the Halloween season. This clear slushy slime is scented just like fresh pears, and I love how it's not too packed. There's still a nice top crunch and some beads to give it some added texture. When you fully mix it up, it turns into a fluffy clay slushy slime. Next up, we have another new DIY clay slime, and this is called Mickey's and Cream. Comes with a light clicky cloud cream slime and a clay Mickey topped off with some glitter. It'll also come with some Oreo fume slices and some Oreo crumbs. The clay Mickey is super adorable and of course super fun to mix. I suggest playing with the texture first before you mix it together, and when you do mix it up, it turns into a fluffy snow butter that is really inflatable and great for crackles and sizzles. And of course, this slime is scented just like sweet Oreo cookies and cream. Next up, we have a returning cookie milk slime. This is called Pineappurr Cookie Milk. It is a DIY clay fizz slime, so very similar to Pusheen's cookie milk, except it has a different cookie. The base will be a light orange and milky white glue based slime scented just like sweet pineapple upside down cake. It'll come with a yellow pineapple cookie that you can top off with a leaf charm and pineapple female slices. The clay cookie is infused with some snow fizz, which makes the mixing super satisfying and unique. And once you fully mix it up, it turns into a textured clay fizz slime. Next up, we have a new upside down float slime. This is called Strawpurry Juice. Comes with a matching strawberry kitty charm, and we'll have pink icy on the bottom that is decorated with some glitter, hearts, strawberry female slices, and some paw females. And it will be topped off with some crystal clear slime to kind of look like some juice that has settled. Definitely recommend this if you love pink or strawberries. And of course, it is scented just like fresh strawberry juice. This one is very satisfying to mix and of course super gorgeous, and when fully mixed it turns into a juicy jelly slime. Next up, we have a returning float slime, and I believe this is one of my first ones. It is definitely a classic, and it's called Icepurrg. It'll come with a blue clear slime on the bottom and a clear icy on top that is topped off with some glitter, penguin female slices, and snowflake sprinkles. This one is scented just like fresh blueberries and of course is very satisfying to mix. It really does look like an iceberg in the water, and once fully mixed it turns into a blue juicy jelly slime. Next up, we have a new cloud slime, and this is called Fluffy Lion. It comes with a matching lion charm and will be a half brown and half yellow cloud slime that has a cute lion face on top and some paw females on the bottom. This one will be scented just like chocolate fudge brownies, so I definitely recommend it if you are a sweet or chocolate scent lover. And of course, my cloud slimes are on the denser side, but are slightly wet, which allows it to be super fluffy with minimal snow fallout. Next up, we have a new Taiyaki crisp, and this is called Sakura Taiyaki crisp, of course inspired by the Sakura Taiyaki. So it's a pink taiyaki that usually has a red bean filling in the inside, but I decided to make it a custard filling since I love the colors. The light yellow and the light pink look so good together. It will come with a baggie of flour sprinkles, pink clay crumbs, and taiyaki female slices. And like all my taiyaki crisps, they feature a creamy, buttery clay slime on the top and a clear base snow fizz on the bottom that mixes into a chewy and inflatable textured clay slime. Next up, we have Pawtumn, which is one of my favorite DIY clay slimes. This one will be sold all throughout autumn and will not be sold when winter starts. It comes with an orange coated juicy jelly slime scented just like orange gummies, some matching sprinkles, and a paw clay piece. Super adorable and fun to mix and turns into a fluffy cloud cream slime. Next up, we have our best-selling jelly slime. This is called Catcus Jelly. It is a coated jelly slime scented just like succulent bamboo with a hint of white grapefruit. It comes with all the add-ins that you see here, so a matching cactus charm, cactus female slices, white spike sprinkles, and pastel flower sprinkles. I love the overall texture. It's great for bubble pops, inflates a ton, and smells super fresh and green. Lastly, we have our seasonal Taiyaki crisp, which is pumpkin. It will be scented just like sweet pumpkin crunch cake. Will come with those add-ins, so orange sprinkles, Taiyaki female slices, and a pumpkin kitty charm. It features a buttery orange clay slime on top and a brown clear base snow fizz on the bottom. Mixes into a textured and sizzly clay fizz slime. And even though that's the last slime, there are two other slimes that will be sold. We will be stocking a Peach Thicky Mickey, which is a thick and glossy slime scented just like fresh peaches, and a Mint Chip Marshmallow Cream, which is a marshmallow clay slime scented just like mint chocolate chip ice cream. That is all for this restock video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!